Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the lesson The Rat Trap, written by Selma Logalaf. The story teaches us how kindness and love can change a person's life. The story begins with a poor peddler who sold small wire rat traps. He was a vagabond with no home, no family, no proper identity, not even a name. To survive, he sometimes resorted to petty thefts. He had a strange philosophy. He believed that the whole world is like a giant rat trap. Wealth, food, comfort, and luxury were the bait. Once tempted people get trapped in misery and suffering, just like rats. He felt proud that he was free from worldly attachments. One cold evening, the peddler sought shelter at a poor crofter's cottage. The crofter welcomed him warmly, gave him dinner, shared tobacco, played a card game Midgelas, shared stories. The crofter proudly showed him the 30 kroners he had earned by selling milk and even told him where he kept the money. The next morning, the peddler gave in to temptation. He broke the trust of the crofter and stole the 30 kroners. To avoid being caught, he avoided the highway and entered the forest, but he got lost. As he wandered helplessly in the dark forest, he realized something shocking. He himself had been caught in the rat trap. The stole money was the bait. Now he was trapped by fear and guilt. At last he reached Ramslow Ironworks and took shelter. The blacksmith and his assistant ignored him, but the ironmaster invited him home. The peddler did not reveal the truth. He hoped to gain some advantage but refused to go at first. The ironmaster's daughter, Edla Willmansson, was kind and sympathetic. She persuaded him to come home for Christmas. She noticed his poor and rough condition but treated him with respect and dignity. He was bathed, given a haircut and shave, dressed in the ironmaster's clothes in daylight. The ironmaster realized the truth. He was not Captain One Star. He became angry and threatened to call the sheriff. The peddler defended himself by repeating his rat trap philosophy. The ironmaster ordered him to leave, but Elda insisted that he be allowed to stay for Christmas. The peddler was deeply moved by Elda's kindness. He enjoyed a peaceful Christmas Eve with good food and rest. The next day in church, Elda and her father learned that the peddler was actually a thief who had stolen money from a crofter. They feared he might have stolen from them too. Back home, they found a letter addressed to Elda signed Captain Once Thale, a rat trap as a Christmas gift. Inside the rat trap were the stolen three 10 kroner notes. In the letter, the peddler thanked Elda for treating him like a human being. Her compassion awakened his inner goodness. He returned the money to avoid trapping the crofter in misery. The central idea of the lesson is kindness and love can transform a person. Even a thief can change when treated with respect and dignity. The central theme of the lesson is power of compassion, human dignity, loneliness, temptation and moral struggle, redemption and transformation. Message of the story is the world may seem like a rat trap filled with temptations, but trust and kindness can save people from falling into that trap. Humanity is stronger than greed. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for complete class 12 English preparation. Thank you.